Hello, my name is Sam, and today I'm going to be showing everyone how to clean a leather cattle show halter. This is important to know if you're in 4-H or FFA and you're going to be showing cattle. You need to properly know how to clean your leather show halter so that it lasts for many years and it looks really good when you're in the show ring. You will get marked down points if it's not clean when you're in cattle showmanship, so it's important to wash it beforehand and keep it in a clean, dry pillowcase so that it stays clean and nice until show day. To do this task, you need a leather cattle show halter. You have the headband, the nose piece, and you have a metal chain with a leather end. Next, you're going to be needing a pair of rubber gloves. This is important so when you're cleaning it, it doesn't get underneath your nails, stain your hands, and it's just easier to clean up in the end. You're going to want some good old-fashioned saddle soap. You can buy this at the farm store, Walmart, Meijer. You can use it on your handbags, belt saddles, luggage, shoes, halters, anything leather. It's really good to clean and condition it, and it keeps it lasting a long time. Next, you're going to want to put down some paper. I got the good old shopping guide here. And that's what we're going to use to keep the table here clean. You're going to want a damp rag that's been wet with cold water, wringed out, so it's wet to the touch but not dripping. And then you're going to want a dry rag. Any rag will do, old socks, anything like that. Just something that's going to hold up when you're cleaning is what you want. So for starters here, we're going to lay out some of the upper side. I keep it nice and thick so it doesn't soak through onto the table and ruin anything. Next, I'm going to put on the rubber gloves here. Alright, so I'm going to take the lead off of the head and nose band. And we're going to start by undoing it. Now this in two separate pieces, it's easier to clean. You're going to want to take your dry rag, start working in the saddle soap, get a whole nice amount on there, more the merrier. And start lathering it on nice and heavy onto your leather here. Don't be afraid to lather it on heavy. The more you put on, the more conditioning it will have. You can already see it starting to look deeper in color. It's starting to get that wet appearance. That's what we're going for. Nice conditioned leather. Really helps prevent against any cracking or aging. It'll keep it lasting a lot longer. You'll see me rub it in really good down the little crack. Then you're going to take the damp cloth and run it over it. This is just getting any of the residue off of it. Anything that soaks into the leather is fine. Anything that doesn't, we want to wipe off. Sometimes I use the metal piece on the halter to get any of the saddle soap out of the holes. You don't want that to dry in there, it won't look very good. Wipe it off one more time. Now we got that all nice and clean. Get some more saddle soap. Start working it all up in the nose band and all the metal hardware. If you do this every year, they won't be bad. You can go pretty quick. As you can see, I'm working pretty speedy through this. I clean them before and after every show. It's important. But sometimes throughout the winter months or rainy months, you can get a little bit of mildewing on them. They'll be the white. And it just doesn't look very good. not good for the leather either. It can cause corrosion up in the hardware, and we don't want that. Now we got that. Now nice and shiny. Let's put it back together. Like that. And then we'll take and we'll go down the lead here. Get a good lather going on it. We'll put it back through. We'll clip it on there. And you have one clean cattle show halter, and you are ready for your cattle show. And just remember to wash it afterwards, and it will stay nice and clean all year round. Make your task of washing it every year a lot easier. It won't take as long. And you will look good in the show, and you won't get marked out. Thank you for watching.